Next thing on the inlet we may want to consider is installing a filter. So my BAMa that's installed in front of us has a filter already installed in it. Depending on the conditioning of the water coming in, you may want to also have one on your water. Things to consider with a filter. That filter does need to be maintained. Anything that is being captured in this filter could potentially be consuming whatever my sensors are trying to read. For instance, I have a chlorine sensor here. Anything that is gathering in this filter may start consuming that chlorine. So now the water that's actually going by the sensor is not the same water that my process has because the chlorine was consumed in this filter. So just be aware of that if you do have a filter installed in your BAMa sensor housing.